Hello everyone, I hope that you are safe and enjoyed my video yesterday. Today we are going to solve page 383 from our previous lesson. Before we start, let us take a quick revision. Go back to page 381 and you are going to see the definition of point. Point is an exact location in space. If I drop the pen, I'm going to find a point. I'm going to draw it like this and name it A. I'm going to read it point A and write it as point A. Line, let's go to line. Line is a straight path of points that continuous without end in both direction. Teacher, if I see this arrow at the end of the line, that means without end. If I name it B, C, if I name it B, C, I'm going to read it line BC or CB. I'm going to read it in two ways. The first way, BC or CB. I'm going to write it, teacher. Look here. I'm going to write it CB like this. Small line ending with two small arrows. Line segments is a part of line between two ends points like this, teacher. Look here, this two ends point. If I want to name it A, B, I'm going to read it line segments A, B or B, A. A, B or B, A. I'm going to write it A, B with a small line above it without anything above it, without arrows. Let's go to a definition of ray. Ray is a part of line that has one end point and continuous without end in one direction. One end point and without any end point in another direction. That means ray. Teacher, here I'm going, if I name it C, B, I'm going to read it in one way. It's ray C, B. And I'm going to write it like this. C, B, teacher. C, B, like this. End point in one direction, the other one is drawing arrow. Let's go page 382 and you are going to see, teacher, the definition of angles. Remember, teacher, angle is formed by two rays or line segments. This ray, or two segments, line segments that have the same end points. Teacher, the same end points. The shared end points is called vertex. I'm going to read it. Look here, teacher. Draw it. If I want to draw it like this in your book, you are going to read it. Angle P, Q, R. Here it's Q. Angle R, Q, P, or angle Q. Okay, so the Q, the corner here should be in the middle if I want to read it or write it. Write it small like this. P, Q, R, or R, Q, P, or Q alone. So it should be in the middle. Let's take a moment and go to the types of the angle. You are going to see right angle, straight angle, and acute angle, and obtuse angle. What is the meaning of that? Right angle forms a square corners. So I'm going to have two rays or two line segments and make for me corner in the middle. If I see this small box, I will name it right angle. Let's go to a straight angle. Teacher, it's a line, forms a line. This is a straight angle. An acute angle, it's less than right angle. So this is what? right angle. The acute should be less. If I want to be less, like this, I'm going to draw the line. Okay? Like this. Obtuse, it's greater than the right angle and less than a straight line. So, it's going to be between right angle and straight angle. I'm going, if I have this, look teacher, I'm going to open it like this. I will have an obtuse angle like this. Obtuse angle like this. Now I want from you to go page 383 and we are going to solve, share and show. Draw and label AB in the space at the right. Teacher, look here in your book. You are going to see AB have this line without arrows. That means I have line segments. Okay, teacher? This is line segment. I will write it as this and draw it like this. Number 2, draw and label an example of the figure. He gave me X, Y with two arrows. That means I have line. That means X, Y, it's a line. It's a line. I'm going to draw it straight line with two arrows in the end. Obtuse. What is the meaning of obtuse? K. He wants to name it K. You are going to name it wherever you want, but he wants here to name it K. K. What is the meaning of obtuse, teacher? Look here. Obtuse. It's bigger than right angle. So I'm going. Look, teacher. I'm going to draw it like this and name it K. And name it K. Okay. Number 4, he wants right angle CDE. So my answer should be, teacher, the angle should be D, because I have told you if I want to name the angle, it should be in the middle. Look here. 2 rays or 2 line segments make a corner like this. Look, teacher. And I'm going to name it D in the corner, C and E wherever you want. You are going to put it like this. I guess until this moment, it's everything. It's easy peasy, guys. Right now, use figure M. This is figure M. 4, 5, and 6. 5. Name a line segment. Teacher, look here. Do I have here any arrow? No. So all of this is what? Is line segments. Look here. You can name it TV or TU or VW or WU or UT. I'm choosing to name it TV here. TV. Okay. 6. Name a right angle. Teacher, if look, 2 segments, line segments, make for me a corner. That corner, it should be the right angle. If I see it, I'm going to name it with the letter above it. What is my letter here?